Hello everyone, we are back with another vlog. Come along and spend the day with us as we get ready and set up for Noah's Heads. Stay tuned everyone, see ya.
My dogs, set rules, set laws. We represent for the lords of yards. I got alone, I feel up my... From them
And we've just picked up the cake and we're ready to go to T-Ball to set up. See ya.
See what I see? It's really doing that. Enough of them a freak, them a carry on them dirty act. Wanna base, enough of them a lick it back. If them bring it away, pull them up, push. Rise up every calico, go rat. Every chichi man, them a fi get flat. Me and me I gonna make a pack. Chichi man, then that's a fact. Them a pouring a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. From them a drinking a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn.
Some niggas say na. Naga make no chichi man walk right the south. From a boy a people yaga than him right now. Left him one family in a wow. Seed from farm, me and them now go far. Enough of them boy they a smoke and cigar. Me and them coulda never in a rum bar. Them boy the flex too bizarre.
Them a pouring a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. From them a drinking a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. My crew.
Hi everyone, so this is what the setup looks like. Thank you to my co-partner.
The lords of yards. I got alone, I feel
Over here.
again. My crew.
Be right back.
My dogs, set rules, set laws. We represent for the lords of yards. Girl alone, I feel up my... From them a pouring a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. From them a drinking a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. So me go so, do you see what I seen? It's really doing that. Enough of them a freak, them a carry on them dirty act. Wanna base, enough of them a lick it back. If them bring it away, pull them up, push. Rise up every calico, go rat. Every chichi man, them a fi get flat. Me and me I gonna make a pack. Chichi man, then that's a fact. From them a pouring a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn. From them a drinking a chichi man. Give me fire, make me burn.
Seen a lot of women, but God took his time on you. Pretty brown skin girl, prettiest in the room. Been around the world, but I always seem to come back to. I come back to my roots. Maybe it's in your face, maybe it's in your ways, maybe it's in your long curly hair, baby. Maybe it's just your skin, maybe it's when you grin, maybe it's just your smile, but I love your style. So I can't be with someone who ain't like me. My pretty island girl, show out everywhere. My pretty island girl, precious like Cartier. My pretty island girl, yeah. Even when you far, shine bright like a star. My light in the dark, yeah. She can want me or don't want me, I don't care. 'Cause I don't see any other woman, yeah. Girl, and break it down for me in my life. I wish you got time for me another day. And I don't think it's fair, but she don't mind. So take your time, yeah, make sure you come back in line. Yeah, looking for an island man. Lucky that's what I am.
come to deal with your matter. I come down straight from platter. I come to walk all the girl them proper. Oh, she bubble bubbling, and she bubbling. Oh, every girl tick tock, tick tock.
What do we have here?
Sandwiches. Sissy.
Yes.
Watch out the girl them start bubbling. King Baba touchdown girl bubbling. Bubbling. Baba and she bubbling. Whoa. Every girl tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. When on the clock girl tick tock, tick tock, tick. Make your waist and sabat, yeah. And she getting on nasty. This girl like she making a movie. Drop that thing girl cause a calamity. Whoa. Watch out the girl them start bubbling. King Baba touchdown girl bubbling. Bubbling. Baba and she bubbling. Whoa. I come to fix things proper. I come to deal with your matter. I come down straight from platter. I come to walk all the girl in proper. Whoa, she bubbling. Baba and she bubbling. Whoa. Every girl tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. When on the clock, girl tick tock, tick tock, tick. Make your waist and sabat, yeah. And she getting on nasty. This girl like she making a movie. Drop that thing.
Thank you for watching, everyone, as we celebrate our sister Noah's last fling before the ring. Hope you guys stay tuned for more wedding updates during the week. God bless and take care.